From the assembly line, I emerged, a shiny new camera destined for greatness. Gifted to newlyweds, I captured their first dance, their honeymoon smiles. Years flew by as I documented family milestones and exotic travels. But time marched on, and I found myself tucked away in a dusty attic, forgotten. Decades passed until curious hands rediscovered me. A new generation marveled at my vintage charm, learning to appreciate the art of film photography. Though weathered, my lens still holds the wisdom of countless precious moments. As I continue my journey, I stand ready to freeze time once more, bridging generations through the power of images.